So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about for loop. So for loop in Python. So for loop in Python consisting of a syntax like this. So for is the keyword and variable is the name given by us. Variable is the name given by us. In is the keyword and the sequence is a list of values. So my sequence I has defined it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So column, after that body of the loop, body of the loop. Okay, body of the loop we can write. So now what the variable will do. So this variable every time it is look into the sequence until it will reaches the last value in the sequence. Suppose if you define a variable a, this variable is look into the sequence. Sequence is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look into the each value in the sequence, each item in the sequence until it will reaches the last item. Once it will reaches the last item, the loop gets terminated. Loop gets terminated. Suppose if you go to the flow chart of this for loop, it will consisting like this flow chart of the for loop. So the values in the sequence, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what the variable will do, so where here we have a condition. If variable reached the last item, that is fifth item, the loop gets terminated. That is, it is going to exit from the loop. If not, it is going to execute the body of the loop. Suppose if I write it is a print the variable here. So the value, each value will get printed. Each value will get printed. Suppose I have a 5 values. First iteration, I have a s is equals to 5 values. 1 to 5. 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values. So my variable a is looking to the this sequence as. So what is first item? First item is 1. So it will check the condition. What is that condition? Last item is reached. No. So body of the loop. What is my body of the loop? Print. My body of the loop is print. Print variable a. Print variable a. So a value is, what is the a value? A value is 1 is printed. Next next it will look in again, it will look into the second value. So if it is reaches the last value, last item, no. So again it is going to print a second item. Next, third is go look into the sequences and third item. So third item, so third item, is it reaches the last item? No. Again, it is going to print the third item. Fourth item, fifth item. After that, it will check the condition. The condition is that it will reach the last item. Yes. So exit from the loop. Like this, it is going to print the all the values in the sequence. So variable is going look into the sequence, and if once it will reaches the last item in the sequence, it is going to exit the loop. Okay, right. So here I have an example. Numbers. So I gave some numbers here, 6 to 11, some numbers. So I am going to print sum of all these numbers, sum of all the items in this numbers list, So for that I have used the variable name as val. So in is a keyword, numbers, column. So just what I'm doing, sum is equals to sum plus value. So initially what I'm doing, I am just assigning the sum value to 0. So 0. Initially it is 0. So 0 plus variable value 6. Next item, next iteration, 6 plus my new sum value is 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 will get a 11. So my new sum value is 11. So 11, my new sum value is 11. So 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, what you get? 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, it is 14. 14. Next, my new sum value is 14. 14 plus 8. Like that, it is going to print sum of all these sum of all the items in the numbers list. Okay, let me execute this one using our using our Jupyter notebook. So see here, this is my Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. Before that, I am going to write a program to print all the values, all the numbers in the numbers list. So that I am going to delete this one. So listen, this is my for loop value. So I am going to print a value here. So value. So this variable name value will look into all the numbers in the numbers list, and it is going to print each number. So the numbers are just run it. Just a minute. We got an error. Unexpected indentation. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, right. So I am going to print a just indentation error. So I need to move it like this so that it can able to print a. So see here. So my numbers list consisting of a around 9 numbers. So I am going to print all these numbers. What are there in the list? So numbers are. So here I will write a numbers are numbers are value, variable value. So just it is just print numbers are 6, 5, 3, 8, 11. Once it will reach the last item, the loop gets terminated. Suppose if I want to find the sum of all these numbers, means I just use the sum. Sum, it is not a keyword, it is a variable name. Sum is equals to 0 initially. What I'm going to do, I'm going to print sum is equals to sum 0 plus the variable VGL val. So it is going to print all the values. Just a minute. Some indentation error. Some error. Error. Just wait. Yeah, right. See here. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me execute this one. Just a minute. Now it is going to print. Right. So you see here there is some indentation error is there. So you see here this is a sum. So I gave the sum as initialized sum as 0. So it is going to print all summation of all the values in the list. So this one is this one. So just I will just copy and paste this one. So if you run it, we'll get a sum is 48. 48. There is some mismatch. Okay, actually I need to print a sum here. I need to print sum here instead of variable. Okay, that is a mistake. Okay, right, fine. Okay, this is all about our for loop in Python. So we'll discuss while loop in our next class.